Hi, boys and girls. So I thought we could do an experiment today. How does that sound? All right, can you say that word? Say experiment. All right, so I thought we could make a lava lamp today. Okay, and you can probably make this at home. Most of the things that you already have. You need a clear container. So I'm just using a cup, but you can use a glass. You can use just something that's clear. You can use a water bottle. And so what we're going to do, and then you need some vegetable oil, some water, and some food coloring, any color that you want. You only need a little bit. So, and then this is the part that you may have at home, you may not. Alka-Seltzer tablet. I don't have an Alka-Seltzer tablet, but I have something very similar that's an antacid. So we're going to see if this works for us today. Okay, so first thing you're going to do, and let mom and dad help you, so you're going to take vegetable oil. We're going to open it up. Ready? Oh, it's brand new, so I need to take off the top. There we go. We're going to pour this very carefully into our container, and you want to fill it 2/3 of the way full. Okay, so I'm filling it, and I'm going to stop right there. All right, so do you see that vegetable oil? Let's look closely. You see that? You see there's some bubbles in there? Yep, all right. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to add the water in, and hopefully I don't spill it. Okay, here we go. Ready? I'm gonna add the water. There we go. All right, so now the water is added. The next thing we're going to add is some food coloring. First, let's take a look. Let's look at this. So, if you can see, all of the water went all the way down here. So the water's down here and the oil is on top of it. That's really interesting. They don't mix. You can't mix them together. Why do you think that is? Why don't you think you can mix them together? The oil has more density than the water. All right, here we go. Ready? So we're going to add a couple drops of food coloring. Pop, pop, pop. Here, I'm going to push it closer. You can see that they're kind of falling down. You can see all of the drops falling down. I'm going to add some more. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. You see all those floating down? Yeah, and see, they're all the way, they're just sitting there. There's still little bubbles. Here, I'll do a couple more so you can see them fall down. You see them falling down? Yep, now normally when we would add food coloring to water, it would start mixing right away. But because it's going through the oil first, it's staying in the little balls and going all the way to the bottom. Okay, so this is where we add our Alka-Seltzer tablet. Okay, now what Ms. Metzger has is a powder. So I don't know if this is going to work as well. But we're going to try it and we're going to see. Alka-Seltzer is not something Ms. Metzger uses at home. And I found these in my classroom, so we're going to see if it works. All right, so I'm going to pour this in and let's see if something happens. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Let's pour some in. Do you see anything happening? You see it? Yep, it's doing it a little bit. Do you see how the bubbles are coming up? There's bubbles shooting up. Yep. Here, I'll pull it away a little bit more so you can see. Whoa. Do you see it? Do you see the bubbles coming up? Is that pretty cool? Yeah, all the bubbles are shooting to the top. Now, parents, if you use Alka-Seltzer, it'll probably have more of an effect. because the powder is taking a little bit to really sink in. But if you use a tablet and plop it in, it'll have a much faster effect. So the bubbles will come up a lot faster. The more it's starting to mix, so you can you see the blue bubbles starting to pop or starting to go up? And look, you can look at the top and see all of them up here. Yep, look at that. We made our own little lava lamp. Now it's really cooking. Look at it go. Whoa! Look at all those bubbles. Yeah, they're really going. It just needed a little bit to get the mixture, the powder mixed in. The antacid. How cool is that? And you can have your own little lava lamp. Yeah. This is awesome. Look at all of those bubbles go. Look at them go. Yes, that's so cool. So again, boys and girls, you need a clear container. You need vegetable oil. And you need vegetable oil, not olive oil. It doesn't work as well with olive oil. At least that's what my research showed. So vegetable oil, you need just a little bit of water and some food coloring. And you can use any color food coloring that you like. And then this is the kicker, the Alka-Seltzer tablet. That's the one thing that you do need. I luckily had some in my classroom because I don't use it at home. But I think it makes for a really fun experiment. I mean, look at it. The bubbles are still going. This will definitely keep your children entertained for a little bit. You have a conference call you have to hop on? There you go. Maybe just put a lid on top, just so they don't spill it while you're away. But this is so awesome. I love all of these bubbles they're making. Look at all of this. That's so cool. I love it. I love it. I want to do it again with a different color. And maybe you can do that at home. Maybe you can make a couple of these with different colors. But this is awesome. All right, boys and girls, I hope you liked today's video and this science experiment. It's really cool when we can make things at home, right? All right, boys and girls, I hope you have a great day. Look at, they're just so awesome. Look at all of that. There's so many bubbles. I couldn't even count how many bubbles there are because there are so many. I bet there's over 100. Yep. All right, boys and girls. Miss Metzger's really excited about this one. So I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.